Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change your name on Facebook. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, open your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from here you can tap on the menu bar on the top left, and then you can scroll down a bit. You can see settings and privacy, tap on it, and then tap on settings. So after doing that, here you can get the option of see more in account center, tap on it, and then here you can get the option of profiles. So if you tap on profiles here, all of your profiles will be open. Here you can see I have the Instagram profile too. But for now, I'm going to change the name of my Facebook profile. So I'm going to tap on my Facebook profile right here. So after doing that, here you can get the option of name. Simply tap on name. And then here you can see your current name. So if you want to change your first name, you can tap on your first name and edit it. Or you can tap on the middle name and last name and edit them accordingly. Just like this, here you can see I have edited my both first name and last name. And then just like this, here you can see I have changed both my first name. But before you tap on done and review change, you have to remember that you cannot change your name up to 60 days of changing. So if you change your name now, you cannot change your name for next 60 days. So if you are okay with it, simply tap on done. And in here you can see the option of review change, tap on it. And just like this, here you can see this is the preview of your name. Simply tap on it, or if you want your old name, you can also tap on it. But for now, since we're changing it, I'm going to tap on it and then tap on save changes. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully changed our name on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.